Hi, and welcome back to JetBot Tutorials. In this video, we're going to be going over troubleshooting techniques and what to do if you encounter any problems when working with the JetBot. So one potential problem that you may have when working with the JetBots is that your power bank USB-A inputs, when you have 90-degree cables, block each other when you're inserting both power cables at one time. So one solution for this would be to grab a new power bank with the USB-A ports further separated, or to grab new cables that insert straight in. However, if you're not able to do either of those, you can try to alleviate the cable tension by temporarily putting a slight cut into the 90-degree angle. Another problem that you might have when working with the JetBots is what do you do when your Jetson won't boot? A solution to that is just trying different Jetpack versions and different flashes, and that should hopefully get your JetBot to start working. Another potential problem you may have is if your Wi-Fi extender module is larger than specified, so that's meaning that it's different from the part on GitHub, and the solution to that is that you can temporarily put a 3mm tape to the back of the robot, and this is sort of what you should expect it to look like. If you're having any problems connecting to Eduroam with NVIDIA, my first solution would be to make sure to rewatch video 2, which goes over a step-by-step on how to connect to Wi-Fi using the JetBots. Make sure that you're getting all the right messages throughout, and if that still doesn't work, I would recommend trying to use a hotspot, and the steps to be able to do that is right here. Make sure you type all of this in correctly, and that should hopefully get your JetBot connected to Wi-Fi. If you're having any camera issues, such as your Raspberry Pi camera is not initializing or being recognized by the Jetson, we found that the main solution that works almost 90% of the time for this is to do power cycling, where you just turn the camera off and on, and that should hopefully make your Jetson recognize your camera. However, if that doesn't work, you can try switching your camera out instead, and that should hopefully do the trick. Another issue you might have when working with the JetBots is that your JetBot isn't moving forward or your motors aren't moving/turning on. The solution to this would be to increase the motor value. Currently in the code, your motor value should be at 0.2. However, for some robots, it works at 0.4. I hope this video was able to give you guys good tips and tricks to help you troubleshoot if there's anything going wrong with your JetBot. Make sure to check out any of the other videos if you want a more in-depth analysis of what the JetBots do, and good luck!